The detectORE mixer's motor is attached to the housing plate with 4 nut and bolt fasteners. Because the mixer is assembled in Australia, you'll need to source tools with metric rather than imperial measurements. Undo each bolt holding the motor onto the housing plate using a ratchet and spanner, then store them somewhere accessible. Make sure to hold the motor in place when you remove the final bolt so it doesn't slide off the housing plate. Gently withdraw the motor away from the body of the mixer, ensuring the rubber star remains in the coupling attached to the mixer's frame. Place the new motor on the housing plate and slowly move it into position so the couplings on the frame and motor line up. The teeth of the coupling should form a snug fit in the rubber star. Gently spin the connected couplings if necessary so the base of the motor lines up flat with the housing plate. Replace each bolt, taking care while you insert the first bolt to hold the motor in place. The weight of the unit can cause it to slide, so the bolt holes move out of alignment. Tighten each bolt in turn, and your new motor is fully connected.